and welcome back, my sweethearts. This hair is by Zury and it is Bohemian small, 18 inches. You guys, this hair is awesome. I cannot wait to show you how easy it is to put in this hair. Stick with me and let's get right to it. I'm starting off with washed, conditioned, and blow-dried hair. My hair looks so dry right now, so throughout this video I am going to be super conditioning, greasing, oiling. I'm going to be doing a lot to it because when you crochet your hair is going to be locked in and it needs moisture, so your hair will not dry out, so it won't cake up or you have dandruff or anything like that. So we're going to be doing that through this whole video. Starting off with, this Cantu Shea Butter Growth Strong. It says a strengthening treatment, and it promotes hair growth. And you guys, I've been using it now for this year, the whole year, and my hair has grown a couple inches because of it. So I prefer it. You can go ahead and I'll put it in the description box below, and you can see how good it does for your hair, how straight, because it's doing wonders for mine. Okay, I cannot stress this well enough. Please do not braid your hair tight. I'm telling you this because from experience, you guys, if you braid your hair too tight, you're not going to be able to think. You're not going to be able to go to sleep. It's just going to be on your mind all day and all night because it's too tight. And trust me, it's just, you don't want to feel that on a brand new hairstyle. So this is for all my new braiders. Please, I'm slowing this down for you, for my braiders who cannot braid. Please watch it slowly because, you don't need braids for crochet hairstyles, but I prefer them. The reason why is because it holds down the hair, longer. It won't slip out. It won't start looking puffy, but if you braid it nice and neatly, under here, it don't need to be neat because it's going to be covered up. But, if you want to learn how, just go ahead and slow this down, you guys, and practice some more. If you want me to do a video of more practicing on learning how to braid, please let me know in the comments below. Get in contact with me, and then, I can do a video for you. Just let me know. There's one person in particular that I am talking to, and her name is Carla Miller. I'm just saying hello, and thank you for watching, and I love you so much. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let you go ahead and watch, and I'm going to talk to you guys in a moment. Here I'm showing you how to connect your hair into the other braids instead of sewing your hair with string and using bobby pins to hold your hair up when it's time to crochet it. Starting the V part is where you want to, your part for when your hair is separated. And I'm just going to braid them into two separate braids, and then I'm going to connect them in the middle and then connect them to one braid. Oh yeah, you guys, don't forget to use your coconut dry shampoo for all of your hair. Remember, it's coming from factories, it's coming from trucks, it's coming from other people, and you do not want that smell on your hair. Don't forget to use it. Okay, sweethearts, in the very beginning of here around the edges, I just thin out the hair a little bit. I split them into two, and then I just put them on the edges just to blend them in just a little bit more. When unraveling my edges, I did add 24-hour edge tamer to my edges to make it look nice and silky, which is my favorite, actually my favorite edge control. And here are the final results, you guys. I am loving it. I like the length of it. I've been going a little long this year, so you know what? I'm enjoying it. I really hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle too. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, definitely share. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.